Web publishing, an introduction. This is an overview of this lecture, and it will cover the introduction of web publishing, requirement for web publishing, requirements for learning, levels of e-learning websites, tools for e-learning, and also a task of a discussion topics. To learn more about web publishing, follow each of these slides, and also there are some hyperlinks that you can navigate to in order to get more information. Web publishing is a process of publishing content on the internet. It includes creating and uploading websites, updating web pages, and posting blogs online. The published content may include text, images, videos, and other types of media. Web publishing comprises of personal, business, and community websites, in addition to ebooks and blogs. In order to publish content on the web, you need 3 requirements. First, web development software. The software may be a professional web design program or a simple web-based application, such as WordPress. Second, an internet connection. The internet connection serves as a medium for uploading the content to the web server. Third, a web server. Large sites may use a dedicated web host, but many smaller sites often reside on a shared server, which hosts multiple websites. Most blogs are published on public web servers through a free service like bloggers, WordPress.com. By meeting the 3 requirements, everyone can publish. Additionally, the audience is limitless. You can reach the world audience. A new era of personal publishing that was not possible before. Posting updates on social networking websites such as Facebook and Twitter is generally not considered as web publishing. Instead, web publishing generally refers to uploading content to unique websites. And the occurrence of updates to the website can be hourly, weekly, or monthly basis. And to make this happen, normally web publishing also needs a web content management system, or we call it as CMS, Content Management System. To ease the update of the website, so we used CMS. You don't have to worry about technicality of HTML5, CSS, or cascading style sheet or JavaScript via CMS. And learning requires learners to know about the knowledge in the domain area, apply the knowledge, analyze the results, transfer learning to another situation. Learning requires learners to interact with others and also in the community. And learning requires learners to be wiser, to be more critical, and able to make better decisions. These are the requirements for learning. And the levels of e-learning websites include, firstly, knowledge database, secondly, online support, thirdly, asynchronous training, and lastly, synchronous training. These are a few levels of e-learning websites. For knowledge database, it is to offer question and answers in the form of database, and it offers resources of a large amount of knowledge or information, and normally those information is boring, dull, database-like design, and not necessarily with any multimedia elements to associate with. Online support types of e-learning can be forum, chat rooms, notice or bulletin boards, emails, live messaging system. It is a little bit more interactivity with the peers of the lecturers. It caters more for question and answers. For synchronous types of training via the website, self-paced learning, CD-ROM based, network-based, intra or internet-based learning. Usually it is not to be real-time. It has an access to instructor via notice or bulletin board, forums, and emails at a synchronous pace. Can have an access to reference material via this type of training. And for synchronous training, it is done in real time. It has a time limit for the class, communicate with the instructor or submission of assignments in the real time. Use audio or video facilities or video conferencing system. And out there are many tools that can be used to support e-learning. For example, blogs, chats, emails, and also discussion forum. There are many more. To know more about the top 100 tools for learning or e-learning, for workplace learning or education, kindly navigate to this website. You can get many ideas of incorporating tools for supporting e-learning purposes. For blogs, it is an easy, up-to-date website publishing tool. It is used for online journals, diaries, portfolios, and web communities. It includes text, audio, video, and feeds from other blogs. Blogs can be characterized by journal-style presentation, including the dates and time of blog entries. Most recent entries are usually listed first. It is frequently updated. It is an informal and conversational style of posting. The diversity of subject matter. It has often include brief musing, commentary on internet and other social issues. It has additional commentary contributed by the blog visitors, and it is able to be linked to other blogs and also websites. Types of blogs. It can be text blogs, photo blogs, more blogs, vid blogs, and also RSS feed. For chat discussion, it is a tools and services which allow participants to log in to the virtual room and communicate together in real time. And it has these features. Participants are all online at the same time or real time, or alternatively it is called as synchronous communication. It can create the sense of virtual classroom, allow immediate feedback and problem solving. Some chat space allow for anonymity. And these are the types of chats. It can be text chat, instant messaging, voice and audio chat, virtual reality chat, video and audio chat, such as through Skype or Google Hangout. For discussion forum, it is an online forum for teachers and learners to communicate at any time. It has these features to allow learners and the teachers to communicate at any time. It can build a learning community, create an archive of course communication, allow learners time to reflect and posting, and prepare suitable messages. Reduce the time need to respond to individual learners via emails. There are many types of discussion forums, instant messaging, voice boards, wiki, blogs, and other posting sites, and even the Facebook group discussions. Emails. Emails can be used for activities, games, and strategies, as using email as a means of building connection with a group or a class. Email is one of the first internet applications to be developed, and it's still the most popular and widely used for communication and transfer of information. Some emails applications such as Outlook Express and Thunderbird require a desktop application to be installed and run on the client machine to send and receive the emails. However, the use of free web mail applications such as Yahoo Mail, Gmail, and Hotmail is still very popular with people on the move or without ongoing access to the desktop computer. Webmail can be accessed through any web browser on any computer that is online. This can be quickly and easily set up on the fly by the learners. Many webmail applications such as instant messaging also include this instant messaging, online calendar, and also document sharing tools in the webmail application too. And email has these features. It is used extensively around the world, and it's becoming the communication tools of choice by most businesses and organizations. It allows rapid development of online activities. It can include attachment for learners to use, allow you, the trainer, to monitor and record interaction. This is a task to do. If you are a lecturer for a course on web publishing, especially for e-learning purposes, what kind of web publishing approaches or strategies? Kindly also mention the supporting e-learning tools that you can use with your students in order to learn effectively via online, which is via non-face-to-face session. Express your thoughts, and after that, discuss these topics with your peers and your lecturers. This is a list of references that is used for this lecture.